Prove that 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta by secant cube theta minus cosecant cube theta is equal to sin square theta into cos square theta. LHS is equal to 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta divided by secant cube theta minus cosecant cube theta. 1 plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by secant cube theta, that is 1 by cos cube theta, minus cosecant cube theta, that is 1 by sin cube theta. LCM sin theta cos theta, that is sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by sin cube theta into cos cube theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that is sin theta into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin cube theta into cos cube theta divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta into, here sin theta cos theta cancel, that is sin square theta into cos square theta divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, that is sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cos theta plus 1 into, here sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta cancel into sin square theta into cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. These two gets cancelled is equal to sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.